Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Shruti Study Studio. Before moving into the video, the main reason for my new channel name is that from now on I will be uploading videos related to studies. It can be as a study vlog, motivational video or either tips and tricks. So don't forget to subscribe the channel. In this video, I will be sharing my experience about my 10th grade as well as my board exams. I consider this video to be a special one as for any video I used to study and work on the topic. With this video, I will be sharing my own experience and journey with my own perspectives, which can be a great opportunity to utilize for your preparations. So let's get started. Generally, when we start a preparation for any exam which has a great impact in our career, we must follow these 5 important rules: concentration, hard work, practice, patience, and confidence. I am super sure that anyone can ace their exam by following these rules. In my case, what I did was, when I started my 10th grade, I started my preparation 2 months earlier before the school did. In this period of time, I went through a lot of sites and made a list of all important chapters. As we had some deleted portion, I was also aware of it through the CBSE main website. The main do or die chapters of class 10th are given here. In science, life process, how do organisms reproduce, light, reflection and refraction, magnetic effects of electric current, metals and non-metals, acid, bases and salts. Lastly, human eye. Though it is a very easy chapter, it contains lot of competency questions. In maths, trigonometry, some applications of trigonometry, quadratic equations, circles, arithmetic progression. By the way, I could say all of the chapters are important in both the subjects, but these are very much important. Secondly, make a formula book or a formula sheet. I didn't realize its benefits until I made my own. Here, this is a long book where I have written my formulas for both math and science. You could make it yourself according to your priority. Thirdly, don't use a lot of reference books. I had some friends who had thousands of reference books. But at the end of the day, they was not sure which one to study or follow. I recommend EduCard question bank and sample papers. It's not a sponsored video, it's my opinion. As I opted for standard math, I solved EduCard followed by Arihant. Students who have opted for basic math, I'm sure the NCERT is the great source and you do not require tons of books. At the beginning, I was very confused to purchase a reference book. To say frankly, I'm still confused. So you could go with any good, trustable and worthy books for your preparations. Lastly, science specific. I recommend all of you to write all the chemical reactions in a single notebook and make sure you practice them every day. I would also recommend to learn the colors of a specific product which is formed from the reactions. This is very much important for 1 mark or a 2 mark questions. So I will be discussing about my stream selection, 10th grade percentage in my upcoming videos. So make sure you watch them. If you are searching for a good guider, you are at the right place. Subscribe the channel and become a part of the learning community. With this, it's time to take a leave. Bye.